Hello, I'm Dr. Jane Gilbert, and I would really like to raise the subject, very gently, of getting yourself moving again. For some people with COPD, the very idea of moving around too much when you're feeling tired and breathless is worse than awful. But the truth is, if you can start moving again, you will do yourself good and some of your symptoms can actually get better rather than, as you might fear, getting worse. If you're used to sitting a lot, then I'd love you to think about getting up every 20 minutes or so and walking to the kitchen, perhaps to make yourself a cup of tea. Not every time will you spend your life in the loo, but you know what I mean. It might take you 20 minutes to get to the kitchen first time round, but every time you get your heart and lungs working, you're working the muscles that will help with your breathing. Once that gets a little easier, you could try walking outside, upstairs, just setting yourself little goals to extend your world bit by bit. Stan gets a workout when he gets the vacuum cleaner out. Ken uses an old fish crate for exercise. But you could use a step in the house. And he also uses his old diving weights to strengthen his arms. Perhaps you could start by walking outside a couple of times a day. It might be hard at first, but it should get easier. All these people have got long-term lung disease and have struggled to get around as they used to. Becoming more active has made a real difference to their lives. But before you do anything, I found a really great film on the internet called 23.5 Hours. It really helped me to see how getting moving could help so much with our health. Type this link into your browser or search for 23.5 Hours and have a look.